For many, investing feels like a mysterious, complicated world, like legal jargon that only Wall Street pros or fund managers can understand. But here's the truth. It's not as complex as it seems, especially if you're open to learning. I'll admit, I was once like you. For years, my wife and I worked hard, put in countless overtime hours, saved every penny, and lived a very frugal life. But no matter what we did, we weren't making progress. It felt like we were always falling behind. It was especially hard watching our parents and grandparents, who worked tirelessly for 35 to 45 years, face impossible choices in retirement, like deciding between paying for utilities or their medications and medical needs. We were sold a lie. We were told, work hard, save money, and you'll be okay. But the truth is, if you want to build wealth, you need to do what the rich do. The wealthy don't just save, they invest. They buy assets that generate income, grow their wealth, and maximize the return on their time. That's why on this channel, we'll focus on all aspects of investing, like dividend investing, growth stocks, and investing in general, to show you how to build wealth effectively and sustainably. My goal with this channel is to help as many people as I can achieve what I call a financial awakening. Over the past 5 years, I've dedicated myself to researching and studying the investing world, the stock market, and the different ways to grow wealth. What's heartbreaking is that despite having 2 engineering degrees and an MBA, I was never trained in investing. Think about it. Our education system doesn't teach us how to build wealth. Instead, it trains us to become workers who help make others rich. We're never given the chance to succeed financially, and that needs to change. Before we go any further, I want to be clear. I'm not a financial advisor. The videos on this channel are for entertainment and educational purposes only. My goal is to encourage you to do your own research, arm yourself with knowledge, and take control of your financial future. Also, I'm not selling anything. I'm not asking you to buy a course, sign up for a Patreon, or pay for anything at all. You have nothing to lose. All I'm asking is for you to invest a little of your time to watch these videos, and I promise it will pay dividends, no pun intended. As I get older, I've come to realize that helping others gives me a higher level of satisfaction. Over the years, I've helped so many friends and coworkers understand investing, and it brings me real joy to see how excited they get talking about investing. The one thing I hear over and over is, I wish someone had shown me this sooner. It's never too late to start investing. The key to building wealth is changing how you think about it. As the saying goes, change your mind, change your world. By shifting your perspective, you can transform your actions, and those changes will ripple outward, creating a better financial future for you and your loved ones. Whether you're just starting or have been dabbling in the market but feel stuck, I invite you to join me. Together, we'll unlock your path to financial freedom and build real wealth without all the Wall Street jargon. So, subscribe, and let's get started on this journey to financial independence.